Hello everyone. Today we are going to create this Christmas special ad creatives. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Create canvas of 1080 by 1080, then create a solid layer, select red color or choose a color as per your need. Go to Tool menu, select Rectangle Shape tool and create a shape. Adjust it according to your need, and select Color White. And, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, for more tutorial and fun tips. Now double-click on Shape Layer, to open Style window. And add a drop shadow. You can adjust it according to your choice. Now select Type tool, and add a text. And select a desired font style, so it match with the Christmas vibe. You can take your time for selecting a font. Again, go to Tool menu, and select Rectangle Shape tool. Now we are creating menu panels for ice cream. You can create for any food item. Select white color and create 2 more panels. Align each shape equally so it looks balanced. Adjust the roundness of rectangle. Now double-click on first rectangle layer to open Stylize window. Add a drop shadow. Adjust the value as per your choice. Now copy the layer style, select all the 3 panels and right-click on it, paste layer style. Now you can see every layer has drop shadow. I am changing the background white color to off-white color, so it looks distinguished. Right now it's very similar to panels. Add the images of food items. I am using images of ice cream. Resize it so it fits into shape, and have the space for texts. Make group of it so you can work on it even after any error. Click the above I button, to learn how to create social media post design. It's time to create a shadow. Create a new layer, drag and drop beneath all the images. Now go to Tool menu, select Brush tool. Go to Brush setting and adjust the brush stroke, more like flat. Select black color and just click below the cups. Do this for others too. Now you can see, it looks more realistic. Now select Type tool, and add food item name. In my case, I am adding flavor's name. Also add the captions and price rate. Now create an action button. Go to Tool menu, select Rectangle Shape tool and create a rectangle shape. Increase the roundness. Select color as red. Add the text as ordered now. Adjust it into the shape. Now to give it more Christmas look, we will add some elements. I am using snowflakes. Resize it. Double-click on it, and add color overlay. Select white color. Place them according to your view, so that it looks good. Now again select Type tool, and add website and contact details below. Add company logo to top right corner. I am adding some texture to make it more stand out. It's up to you, you can choose any texture according to the theme. Adjust the opacity and place it. You can add more elements to your design, as many as you want. For me, I think it's enough. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon, have a good day.